there and welcome to our kitchen. I'm Jenny, this is Lauren, and we're two of Festival's Mealtime Mentors. Today we are baking up a classic Tex-Mex dish.
Yes, we are making baked chicken chimichangas, which I think everybody loves a good chimichanga.
Definitely. And
today we're making our own, and they're super simple, which I love.
Yes.
So let's get started on our filling. So we're making chicken chimichangas. So what we have here is some shredded rotisserie chicken as a time saver option. So we're going to mix this with just some jarred salsa. This is just a mild salsa. Thank you. We've got some garlic, cumin, and then some diced green chilies. And I'm just going to mix this up. So super, super simple filling.
It's definitely not too difficult. So while Lauren is mixing that, I'm going to talk a little bit about our tortillas. So we are wrapping this, so we want to make sure that the tortillas are nice and pliable. So I just wrapped them in some damp Viva paper towel and then microwaved it for about 30 seconds to get them nice and soft so they don't break when we roll them up. And we're just using some whole wheat tortillas today, but you can certainly use whatever tortilla you would like.
Perfect. So there is our filling.
All right, so to roll these, I'm going to get some filling into here and then top it with a little bit of shredded pepper jack cheese.
Yes, and really the key to being able to fold these properly is to just not overfill it. I think that's very easy to do, is just fill it up, but then it won't fold quite right. So
let's see.
That looks perfect, Jenny.
There.
Good work.
And then it goes seam side down, right in our already greased baking dish.
Yes. So speaking of baking, we are baking these chicken chimichangas instead of frying. So typical chimichangas are deep fried, making them really crispy. But today what we're doing is we're making them a little bit better for us by baking. The outside still will get a little bit crispy, not quite as crispy as a traditional chimichanga. But we're cutting down the fat quite a bit by not deep frying.
Mm-hmm. And if you're looking for that super crispy outside, you can certainly try air frying these as well.
Yes, that would be a great idea. And we mentioned we're doing chicken chimichangas, but the great thing about this recipe is that you can really substitute the protein for really whatever you like. So shredded pork would be delicious, steak, or even, like a ground beef.
Yeah, or just beans.
Yeah, beans as a vegetarian option. And we're using rotisserie chicken, but you could grill up your own chicken or just make some chicken really quickly in the Instant Pot or in the slow cooker. So,
and if you do just cook up a whole chicken breast, a super quick way to shred it is to just use a stand mixer.
Oh, that's right. You always do that.
Yes, that's how I shred chicken because I don't have the patience to shred it with 2 forks.
It does take a long time. And if you are shredding a rotisserie chicken, make sure that if you did buy a cold one, which you can buy, to pop it in the oven so it's a little bit warm. It'll just make it so much easier to shred.
Yes.
These look really, really good.
They do. And this would be, again, a fun way to get the family involved in the kitchen. See if the kids can help with this.
It's nice, too. It does make quite a bit, so enough where everybody can have a chimichanga, maybe even have some leftovers. It makes great leftovers as well, just to heat up.
So I think I got a little scared of overfilling, and I underfilled some of these, but
that's all right.
That's okay.
You can always just keep going if you have more tortillas. Fill them up.
I got the cheese right. It's not the chicken.
Yes. Well, these look beautiful, so good work.
Okay, so 6 fit perfectly.
So I'm going to stick these in the oven.
All right, so they're going to bake at 400 degrees for about 18 to 20 minutes. We're just looking for the tortillas to get nice and golden and crispy, and then we'll be ready to serve. All right, so it's been about 20 minutes. I'm going to go check on these. They look beautiful. And grab the door.
These look good. Nice and crispy.
Yeah. All right, so last step is to plate them up.
Yes.
So we're going to put these on a bed of lettuce.
Yes, each one. Some lettuce, and then we've got lots of fun toppings as well. Of course, you can customize with your favorite toppings. So very traditional Mexican style toppings.
All right, let's see if I can get one of these out without making a mess. Well, they stayed together pretty nicely.
They did. I'll start topping this. So we're going to do some pico, do some avocado,
And guac would also be super good on
Yes. Oh, yeah. We'll do a dollop of...
plain non-fat Greek yogurt we're using instead of
Yes.
sour cream. It's a nice trade-up. Thank you.
For you.
And swap.
Thank you.
And just topped it with a little more cilantro, too.
Yes. Really delicious.
So just like with the filling, the toppings are really customizable, so you can use whatever you would like. But we think this gives it a fun pop of color and a lot of great flavor as well.
For sure.
All right, should we dig in?
Yes.
Okay.
I'm gonna use
It's going to be hot.
Yes. Ooh, they're nice, really crispy.
Very crispy.
Love that. Love that they get that crispy baking.
Oh my gosh. The filling is so juicy. This is super good.
It's really good. Hot.
It is very hot. Well, we hope you give your dinner table a little Tex-Mex flair tonight.
And for more recipes and resources from your mealtime mentors, visit festfoods.com.